Welcome everyone. So everybody knows about the spin-off with Cryptide with Bbig and the price squeeze for Bbig. We have a nice reversal on the price spike last Friday. However, we didn't overcome the resistance around the $3.80. And what we did in the Patreon, we expected the price to get rejected and go below and test the $3. Here we did on the 6th of May in the morning pre-market. We said the price will go around this exponential average, go to the $3, then spike again, and this will be a good confirmation for the buyers are there. And that's what happened precisely when the market opened. Let me go in the 1 hour chart. You can see it clearly. The market opened and we have this wick and tested perfectly. The $3 went up right now, accumulated around this area, and we already talked about the analysis as well here on our Discord channel. And when we said we need to hold above the $3 to confirm the squeeze at $3.81, and we hold, and we did this chart analysis on our Discord for our hunters to be ready to hunt with us. That's what happened. We hold above our distribution average, bounce from the $3, and we still didn't test the $3.80. We might see this test for Monday. So before we continue for the technical and price projection for Bbig, let me just clear something out, which is the spinoff, because everybody knows Cryptide and Bbig have dividend spinoff, and everybody waiting for the date. So here we have to clear something out. How does a spinoff affect the parent company share price? So we have two important dates for the spinoff. First, we have the record date and the distribution date. First, what's the record date? Is the date used by the company to identify the number of the new company shares an investor will receive from the spinoff transaction. However, distribution date is the day will receive the new company share in your account. So if the spin corporation is roughly half the size of the original company, then the parent company's share price will drop roughly half its value on distribution date. However, if nothing changed with the valuation, both companies, then the price of the both company combined will be roughly what the parent company share price was the day before. So this is really important to note. And if we go for the technical for Bbig, first off, let me just clear something out for Monday, which is the $3.80. Right now, we did a double top around this area, 6th of May, and here around the 3rd of March. Or the end of March. You see, we have double top. So double top is a bit bearish. However, we have a good bullish sign that we hold above the $3. So what we should expect on Monday. And as you can look here from the general trend of the market, everything is still down except Bbig, because for Bbig we have the spin-off the dividends with Cryptide. That's why we saw last Friday the only one that jumped 28%, it was Bbig. The other ones like HYMC down 4%. We have Endo as well down because we have a test around the 22-23 and we didn't overcome it here around the 1st of May. And we have MULN as well have a struggle to overcome the $1.55. And if we go for our undervalued growth stock, we can look here. We have Amazon visiting really nice support around the 2,200. Eventually we went there. If we go to Facebook, right now we have the price is still strong because we still above the 187. If we hold it, this mean we have opportunity to overcome the 247. For my opinion, for Facebook, this will be a turning point for bullish trend for Facebook. Again, we have 37 hours to get your free Facebook share. And again, not just Facebook, 5 free stock, and one of them is Facebook. And one of the things that's good with Momo is full extent trading hours. Before and after the market close, you could actually trade, and you have a free level 2 market data, and you have 62 technical indicators, easy access to global market with low commission free, 15.5 million trading community, last but not least, zero commission for US resident in US markets. Get it in the exclusive exclusive link for you guys in the comment section below. Let me go back again and check BBIG. For Monday, what we should expect, we need the price holding above the $3, and again this time any price overcome the $3.47 will be the first initiation to test the $3.80. This will be a pre-signaling for strength. After that, the $3.80 will be, for my opinion, the ignition for squeeze. Whatever happened with the fundamental, we have to focus again on the technical, which is the $3.80. If we overcome the $3.80, first around the $5.40, the first explosion. A lot of people talk about the 10, the 20. However, first we're gonna test the $5.40. Let me just do a bit of confirmation with Lux Algo Premium and Lux Accelerator Premium and put it down there to check the confluence of the market. Look how crazy it is. Let me just show you one thing. Let me just take this off. Okay, first let me go to Lux Accelerator Premium. We have from the red turning to green and bouncing perfectly from our technical level, and that show us there's a big buying pressure happening. So this is a really bullish trend here that happened when we have Lux Accelerator turning from the red, when we have the selling pressure happening here around the end of April, and the bullish trend turning the moment that we have Lux Accelerator turning to a green. And the other thing, let me show you what's happening with the technical. We have a buy signal, strong buy signal happened perfectly around this area after the sell signal. If we want to confirm the buy signal is strong, we add the trend tracer and the trend catcher. Okay, the trend tracer and trend catcher give us a more confirmation. Is two green line with strong buy. It's mean is big buying pressure happening. And guess what? When happened? Around the 4th of April, the moment when we have strong signal from Lux Algo Premium, give us the price or a big signal for a bullish momentum coming up. Before it came, we have the signal perfect from Lux Algo Premium. Let me just take this off. And again, by Monday, we need to confirm one thing. Holding 4-hour candle or even 1-hour candle above the $3.80 will confirm BBIG to go around the $5 squeeze. We might see the $10 and the $20 and $30. However, the first test for the squeeze is the $5 after we clear the $3.80 and we holding, of course, above the $3. Hopefully that was informative, and if you have any question, let me know in comment section below. We're gonna do pre-market update for our Patreon and Discord channel, of course, and again we're gonna do update for PBIG and all the market about what's gonna happen, and we're gonna do maybe even live streaming for you guys to cover the market, because it's kind of right now we in the sensitive time of the market, so we have to be prepared to hunt for support for a lot of stocks. I will update you daily here on our Hunter Tribe, so subscribe and hit the notification so you never miss any my alert like last time on Friday. So without further ado, hopefully you have a nice weekend and see you by Monday.